Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing. It is One Piece Season 8 Voyage 2, which has episodes 469 to 480. Oh, I do have all the other voyages. I'm just behind on my unboxing videos for One Piece. Season 10 Voyage 4 already came out this month, but we're here on this one. So you have... I just said his name. Aokiji Akainu, I believe. Whitebeard, Ace, Kizaru, Luffy. There we go. Front. Spine, which has Whitebeard on it. The back. Let's read that if you want. Oh yeah, right there's the scenes. There's Boa. Oh, disc one. There's disc one. Disc one. This one has episodes 469 to 475. Which there really ain't nothing about the disc art. Same. I think it just says the same. Yep, One Piece. But I will say this. They keep using the same damn one from Season 3, but they just take away the Luffy Pirates thing or whatever. Disc 2, which has episodes 476 to 480. Damn, that's a low number. There's the disc art. 1000 Sunny. Same. Get that out of the light. Sorry about the reflection. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of One Piece Season 8 Voyage 2. I'll try to get to the next one here in a little bit. Like I always say guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace!